Okay, guys, so now let's talk about how we can source for our product, right? I'll be doing, I'll be taking us through some affiliate platform, PLR. Some of us already know PLR. We'll come back to that. Why? Because even me, they've not been able to, they've never collect my card since. So getting products, paying them right now is crazy. Unless you want to, maybe you want to go and buy dollar in like all this virtual card and they will charge you really high, right? So that's crazy right now. Okay, so let's look at affiliate platform. So firstly, affiliates. I think I should talk more on maybe affiliate, right? I should talk more on affiliate, right? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing business. Alright, so I think I need to talk about this, alright? Right? So firstly, what is affiliate marketing, alright? What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business model. Okay, this is where a lot of people say get affiliate marketing skill, get this one. No. Okay, I think I made mention of it. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you sell other people's products and get commission. It might be a car. Some people, they are not dealers. They will start posting cars and all. Some people maybe real estate. And the skill we're going to learn in this program, you can apply it anywhere, right? Be it affiliate marketing, be it your own product. So these people, maybe when they sell the land in real estate and they get commission, so they are affiliates. They are affiliate to that company. So I can tell you, okay, help me sell this laptop for 100k, then you get 20k commission. You are my affiliate. So it's simply selling other people's products to get commission. Selling other people's products for a commission, alright? Selling other people's product for a commission. This one. Okay, right now, as a beginner, we don't have an idea about product creation. Okay, we don't have PLR, but we want to make money here. Alright, so but you have people that have created a digital product. Alright, here we are talking about selling digital product as an affiliate, right? They have created products that have great offers, that have crazy offers. Alright, so your own is just to promote this product. Alright, promote this product, sell it and earn a commission. You can earn a commission as high as 10k, 20k. Alright, a lot of people, there are a lot of misconceptions about affiliate marketing. I keep saying this. Alright, why? Because a lot of people run into it thinking, oh, is one gets rich quick. Thinking when you go there tomorrow you start making money. No, they don't have the proper foundation. Right, so now we don't have a product as a beginner, right? Assuming we don't have a product to promote, alright, we can't get PLR. And the best way to even start learning is selling other people's product. So you have people that have great offers, that have crazy offers, that you can promote their product and earn commission. I still do it. There's a guy there's this product about around exporting. I found it online and I like the offer, and I told the guy, can I sell this for a commission? And he said yes, 50-50. So I sold to a few people and I got my commission. Alright, so now affiliate marketing is a business model whereby we sell other people's product to get a commission. Alright, so now we have a lot of like top affiliate platform in Nigeria. We have Seller. Let me list them: Expertnia, Expertnia, Expertnia. We have Stakeout. We have Seller. We have Digistem. Yeah, these are the top affiliates. These are the top 4 I can remember right now. Why? Because I only know of these 2. Like these 2, I know the people that owns them, and I know, they are great guys, right? So now, Expertnia requires you to pay 10,000 naira to join. Seller, I think 2,000 naira. This one, I think, Digistem, I think 15,000. But Stakeout is free. But Expertnia has a lot of product on it. Stakeout is just starting. Stakeout started like a few months ago, but it is free. All right. So quickly, I'll be taking us through that. Right. I'll be taking us through that. So now, for you right now, okay, I'll show you Stakeout and these 2. I don't really like them. I don't know. So I'll be taking you through Stakeout and Expertnia right now. Stakeout, I think I opened an account with them somehow just to check out their product, or maybe when I was training someone. Yeah, maybe when I was training someone. Let me see. Okay, this is Stakeout. We'll still go to Expertnia. Okay, this is Stakeout, right? Okay, right now, right? Look at this product now. The Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program. All right. Look at this Amazon KDP for smartphone. This is the price. Look at the commission here: 50%, 50%, 50%. Look at this Nigeria to Canada jackpot system. All right. Okay, let's go to their marketplace. All right. If you open an account here, this is how our dashboard will look like. All right. So let's go to their marketplace. On this 15 minutes it's crazy for me. It's too short. Okay, look at products, right? Look at a lot of products, a lot of them. You can see a lot of products, Look at e-commerce. Look at CPA Dollar Academy. Look at TikTok growth. So look at TikTok, product about TikTok, how to make money on TikTok. Look at the iScore IELTS program. Right, there are a lot of information programs. Like there are a lot of information programs. All right, look at virtual assistant, how to become a virtual assistant. Look at Spotify. Look at Shopify. I don't know if you know Shopify. Look at Google Ad Traffic. So that's if you want to learn how to run Google Ads. Those are fucking good product. All right. The Love Magnetic System. All right, look at let us open this Love Magnetic System. All right, this is the price, $17. We get high commission. Let's check the product page. All right, let's check the product page. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. How to become more attractive version of you and attract long-lasting love with the Love Magnetic System. You see? So if you are in a relationship, there is always a product for you. So look at it. You read the sales page. Okay, hi, I'm Dara, Sarah, and I can help you reform and rebuild your love. You know, things like that. So you read the sales page, to understand the product you want to promote. So I open this up just to tell you that there's no, you always find a product relating to your niche, alright? Always find a product relating to your niche. Alright, so if someone that is heartbroken, this Valentine now, someone that is heartbroken, all this thing, you can just sell to that person and you get your commission. Alright, and you get your commission. So now you read through, alright, you read through the sales letter to sales page to understand the product you want to sell, because it is important that even if you are not using the product, it's important that you understand the product. All right, it is important that you understand the product. So assuming you want to promote this product now, what will you just do? You copy, maybe you've set up your funnel, maybe someone is ready to buy. I just want to show us this so that you can, so that you can understand. So you just click this copy, then you send to that person. When that person buy with your link, then you get your commission. You see it on your dashboard. You see it on your dashboard here. Look at it. Look at the dashboard. So you see it on your dashboard here. Alright. You see it on your dashboard here. So, but don't copy your link and start putting it on social media. It's only all those small people that doesn't know what's up. All those quarterly done affiliates or internet marketers, they refuse to learn. You don't copy your link and start sharing it everywhere. No, we'll go through. I'll show you step by step, process. All right. So on StakeCode, I think they have some trainings too. You can join their Telegram, whatever. StakeCode University. I think you can learn, some stuff here as well. You can learn some stuff here as well. It's Facebook ads. There's, how to build lead funnel. You can learn some things here as well. All right. So let's assume you want to, promote a product around Amazon KDP. So you can just search for it. Look at Amazon KDP. You can click on it. Click on promote. So you can, click on this promote page. So to check the sales page. This is what we call the sales page. All right. This is what we call the sales page. All right. This is what we call the sales page. Okay. So you can check the sales page. All right. To understand that product. Then you now go ahead to make more research on your own. All right. I'll be making an illustration on that. All right. I'll be making an illustration on that. So you can, create an account with StakeCode and, go through them, check out some products, look for your niche. First, decide your niche, then check out the product that will resonate with you. We can also discuss that in the group, right? So I can tell you, okay, this is what sells, this is what I think people are buying. Look at smartphone editing course and all. So all right, so next let's check out experts now. All right, so check out StakeCode and let me know what you guys feel. All right, if you find a product cool and you feel you can promote, okay, let's check it. All right, so next let's check expert now.